Everybody comes to UGI, Uttaranchal Group of Institutions, with a dream. And we make it real. Here in UGI, we build a bridge between your dreams and your bright and prosperous future by providing an outstanding education experience with a global perspective. Today, 5,000 students are pursuing their education under UGI. In the year 2002, UGI started its journey with Law College Dehradun under the aegis of Sushila Devi Centre for Professional Studies and Research. Although it has been a short span of time, yet UGI has come a long way and has created so many landmarks in the field of professional education. Apart from Law College Dehradun, the society has also ventured into many other professional institutes and created a niche for itself, not only in Uttarakhand but also throughout North India. At UGI, we have left no stone unturned to provide the best learning conditions to our students. We focus on students' potential instead of their limitations so that the students can realize their true potential and achieve what they want to achieve in their lives. In the year 2006, Uttaranchal Institute of Technology was established to take engineering to new heights and to widen the horizons for the engineers of tomorrow. UIT is approved by AICTE, Ministry of HRD, Government of India, and affiliated to Uttarakhand Technical University, Dehradun. In the year 2006 itself, UGI put another diamond in its crown by starting another institute named Uttaranchal Institute of Management. The prime focus to start UIM is to prepare global professionals for the business world. UIM is also approved by AICTE and affiliated to Uttarakhand Technical University and HNB Garhwal Central University. UIBS, Uttaranchal Institute of Business Studies, another endeavour of UGI offering study program in BBA and MBA, approved by AICTE, affiliated to Uttarakhand Technical University, Dehradun. UIBS provides an intensive learning experience through academic quality and rigor, access to accomplished faculty, facilitating a beneficial relationship with the corporate world. With world-class facilities offered by UIBS, you will achieve the aspirations of your life. We are proud of our excellence in teaching. UGI has a beautiful sprawling campus surrounded by green forests, sub-Himalayan Mussoorie Hills on one side and the Shivalik Hills on the other. It is easy to reach UGI from every part of India as it is well connected by air, rail and road facilities. UGI is housed in purposefully built multi-storied modern buildings with top-class infrastructure. Buildings of UGI are ventilated, spacious and an architectural delight, equipped with state-of-the-art facilities. UGI provides a wide range of programs to make sure that every student can pursue his or her passion. At Law College Dehradun, you can pursue 5-year BA LLB integrated degree course after 10+2, 3-year LLB course after graduation, and LLM. All courses are duly approved by the Bar Council of India, New Delhi, affiliated to HNB Garhwal Central University.
The college has been consistently producing university merit holders since its inception. The students have brought laurel to the college by attaining 40 merit holders, including 5 gold medals in the university. Many scholars have passed through the corridor of this college to become a successful legal luminaries.
At UIM, you can pursue MBA, MCA, BBA, BCA and BSc IT.
I take a great pride and privilege to state that the institute has not only expanded in a horizontal manner but has expanded in vertical manner too. When I say horizontal manner, it means the expansion in terms of courses and expansion in terms of number of students.
UIT offers 4 years BTech degree course in Computer Science and Engineering, Electronic and Communication Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, and Information Technology.
Apart from the professional training, we lay equal emphasis on the facility development and communication skills of our students. I am happy to say that our students have also done well in extracurricular and co-curricular activities.
Here you find an academic environment of great repute. At UGI, you learn from the people who are well qualified and have significant industrial experience. That gives you an extra edge to kickstart your career. Apart from academic excellence, UGI provides the holistic experience to its students. Before facing the real world of employment, you have some real experience here. To impart actual practical knowledge to its law students, the Law College Dehradun has come up with its own moot court to enrich the knowledge of students regarding court craft, where everything is as real as a real courtroom is. The UGI curriculum includes debates, workshops, industrial visits, seminars on various issues, and guest lectures by corporate executives, technocrats, and eminent educationists. UGI is well respected among potential employers, corporate, and industries for its outstanding track record in quality education. Many of its alumni have made their mark in various industries, and they are well placed. To look after the placement and training of its students, UGI has a placement cell. At UGI, you are challenged to do your best by providing access to first-class resources and facilities. You name it, you have it. Classrooms are supported by audiovisual aids, LCD projectors, and computers with 24/7 internet through Wi-Fi technology. There are well-equipped labs and seminar halls too. UGI has a very resourceful library with the largest collection of books and reading materials, such as journals, newspapers, magazines, and reference books, which gets updated with the latest publications, which enhances the learning experience. Students of UGI get fully furnished accommodation with thoughtful conveniences. Both boys and girls hostels have a well-maintained hygienic mess and around-the-clock security. There are also some other crucial facilities available like ATM and transportation. Adequate medical assistance is also available here. Come and study at UGI and have a great time and a great future. A great education leads to a great future. Uttaranchal Group of Institutions.